you're gonna have to go to war. You lock me in like I'm floating in the wall. Now what the fuck? Do I have to work no more than balls every night, overtime, 8 to stop. We aiming up a top and productive in the car, yeah. In the facade, yeah. Now you see me aim for glow. We are the low, no show. She be crazy when I go. You know the flow. We ain't up here on the test, and every day we manifest. Say what? Just to rock and be the best, am I the best? Yeah. And what I'm asking myself is top of the list. Yeah, bitch, I've been up like you mother rockin' illness, yeah. Come on, y'all, make some noise. Umsning, I know we can do way more louder than that. Make some noise, Umsning! Man, Umsning is always a vibe. First off, I would like to introduce myself. I go by the name of WAHLANG. I'm a hip-hop artist.